Okay. The third percentage application problem in context, we are looking at percents as they apply to a commission made at the gym. In other words, the person selling the membership getting a commission for your membership. How many of you knew that happened? Probably you all did. But anyways, for each gym membership sold, the gym keeps $42 and the employee who sold it gets $8. Okay. The gym keeps 42 and the employee who sold it gets 8. So let's change that and let's assume that that's saying that of the total, $42 is the part the gym keeps, and there's another $8 that goes to the employee who sold it. For each gym membership sold, the gym keeps 42 and the employee who sold it gets $8. So that means we have 42 and 8. So it's a total of $50 for the gym membership. So what's the commission the employee earned as a percentage of the total of the gym cost of the cost of the gym membership? So in other words, you need to find for this one right here, you need to write out an equation or a proportion to find what $8 is, what percent of 50. $8 is what percent of 50. Okay, so go ahead and do your equation or your proportion and complete that for me. You should have gotten 16%. So you're going to need to be sure that you show how you get 16%. If you didn't, stop and look it over and make sure you're saying 8 is of 50 and you're looking for that part of 100. Okay, if that helps a little bit. Let's go on to the next part. If you're ready, if not, go ahead and pause it and take a minute to go ahead and figure out the last part before moving on. If an employee sells a family pass for $135, what's the amount of the commission they're going to get to keep? In other words, the commission is going to be that 16% of $135. So what is 16% of $135? All right. And make sure you write your equation or your proportion.